Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to clone yourself on Final Cut Pro. The first thing you want to do is take one big shot of you doing something in one spot, and after that go to another spot and do something totally different. Make sure how many ever clones you make, they do not touch each other. After you do your different activities, then you're going to record a clean slate for a few seconds. After you do all of that, you're going to cut your video up into different pieces. We have 2 clones, so it depends on how many clones you have you're going to stack. Your clips, putting the clean slate on the bottom and your clones on top. After you stack them, you need to turn the opacity all the way down. They will look ghost-like at first. Then you're going to get a draw mask and put it on only one clone. You're going to trace one of your clones. It doesn't have to be perfect. After you trace one of your clones, you need to turn the opacity all the way up. Make sure you feather your draw mask so it blends and it doesn't stick out. You can watch your clip a few times to see if it looks perfect. There you go, that's your finished project. It should look something like this.